everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to UWA Student Account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser of your choice. In the web address bar, type in uwa.edu.au and press enter on your keyboard. Once you end up in the official site of University of Western Australia, click on the student link at the top right. Scroll down and you'll be able to see this option where it says Visit Student Connect. Give it a click. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in the sign-in area. Type in your UWA username in the first text box. If you're having trouble accessing your account, you can click on the Can't Access Your Account link in order to get help. After typing in your username, click the Next button. On the next page, you'll need to type in your password. Go ahead and type it in correct and you'll be able to log into your UWA student account. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.